vlog number 2, dose. Okay, so.
Hey, wait, we should do like a room tour. So this is my room. So just like my messy bed, you know. Here's all my balloons from my birthday. Yeah, it's in my room.
So, guys, let me tell you guys something. So, tonight we got big things going on. How big are they, Brie?
Can you fill me in? Because I have no idea what we're doing.
We're not doing anything big. We are going to have some fun and we're gonna vlog it. Bree's getting changed now, but I just got out of the shower, if you could see. And let me give you a quick OOTD, okay? Because you know my outfit is just so freaking pretty.
You did not put that in.
Wait. I have this black jacket and then I got these pants from Aerie that I wear every day.
Ty took his fucking jacket back. I'm about to kill him. I have on these.
Okay. Wait, question.
They're.
I have school tomorrow at 11.
Wait, why was she so close?
But you know what? I'm just a rebel and I no. Okay, Bree, say bye.
Bye. So this is my Mima. Mima, would you like to get on our vlog?
No.
Yeah, we vlog now.
No, I don't.
We vlog.
I don't.
Say
please.
hi.
No. Mom doesn't do that.
Oh, okay, sorry, Mima. Bye.
Bye.
So, wait, the last time I was in a Wawa, they didn't have iced coffee. Like, what kind of Wawa? Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like the iced coffee machines? Okay, guys, here we go. Oh, guys, here we go.
Yeah, but we're at Wawa. People are looking at us.
Wait, can you do this? Oh, that's me. All pink Starburst, cause like. Dick. And no my get. Mel, what's wrong with you? You should
I did it 5 times. I just want to show you.
So we're out here.
We in the stew.
Hi. D is for her Gant. It's Curly 118.
Why you gotta be so mean?
How do you feel?
You don't want to know how I fucking feel.
But you know something's
You
cool?
wanna see something cool? I stubbed my toe and I got a monster band-aid.
No, I hate them. They sound bad. Yo, today is, I don't even freaking know. It's Wednesday. She's jamming. Let's see what she's doing.
Okay, so here's a little outfit of the day. I got on my slides and these black sweatpants and this hoodie. We are going to get ice cream with a surprise guest.
Oh God, it's gonna die. Turn it off. Yo, so my camera's about to die, but we're going to this little town called Media and gonna get some ice cream. And this is our surprise guest. Sorry, Hoff Daddy. Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed.